I'm actually curious on how this smells. This actually smells like chocolate cake, and I don't mean a good chocolate cake. I mean a chocolate cake that you would get at some dive bar in a small town, that if they had a health department, they would have been shut down years ago. My spreader setting when I started fertilizing was 8. I adjusted it. Keep in mind these spreaders are gonna vary. You guys know I can handle a lot of nonsense, but sooner or later, if I bite my tongue too long, I'm gonna bite it off. I want you guys to see this real quick. You can see that that's inconsistent. This is messy stuff. You see all the dust all over. By this point, I wanted to turn Moorganite into Mooganite. Mooganite, I'm not impressed. The smell's actually getting better though. I think I'm done with this. 2 bags in the back. We'll see what happens. This, probably just gonna put in my flower bed somewhere. This will be useful to something. The last time these boxwoods were fertilized was last fall during a pay-per-view event. I know I'm out of shape, guys, but now when the neighbors walk by and say, "It's looking good, Seth," I know they're talking about my lawn and not my physique. And I can't believe that. It's gross. Wasn't expecting to get that messy in the lawn today. Had to get a shower. I feel clean. I still have that in my nose. As I dig this out of my nose, let's dig into why I applied the Moorganite. This is a 511 slow release, basically manure with feathered meal. I've been eyeing this product for a couple years now, and sooner or later, if I eye something that long, I'm gonna put it down in my grass. It is a messy product. Nowhere on the label does it recommend wearing jeans. I don't know about you guys, but I mow in shorts. I usually apply my fertilizer right after my mow. So my first impression of this is it's a joke. And speaking of cows and jokes, if you haven't heard my Uncle Denny's joke about the cow with no lips, you'll have to ask him about that. I do appreciate Denny for letting me use his likeness and image on something with Seth. I will let everyone know that it's not his best joke, but it certainly isn't his worst. I think if you want to buy this product, it's good. I'm probably not going to buy it again. The smell of it isn't going to be too much to overwhelm the neighbors. It's too messy for me. That reaction to that fertilizer may have been over the top for a lot of you, probably all of you. But please stick around to the tail end. I'm sure none of you would have reacted that way. And I have something for you guys at the back end of this video. I think this was like $17 a bag. A bag's gonna cover 2,500 square feet. It's gonna give you 0.5 pounds of N per 1,000 square feet. So really the price is kind of expensive for what it is. We can get Moorganite a lot cheaper than that. Scott's Naturals, cheaper than that as well. And those products are gonna have iron in, which this Moorganite doesn't. All right guys, I hope this helped you out. If you're gonna get this product, make sure you get some jeans on when you're applying it. As always, drop me a comment, give me a like, tell me what you disliked about this video. Now I leave you with some reactions that I've been working on. I know it's all natural for you guys, but I have to work on it. And I think the progress is becoming real good. You know, when the camera's not going or no one's around to impress. You guys enjoy it. I'll see you next time. Looks like Snuggles pooped in my yard again. I know Mr. Timmons is super busy. He must have forgot to pick it up. I'll clean it up for him. Holy cow, gas is expensive. I'll have to get a part-time job to pay for my fuel cost. I wonder how much money she's making an hour. The sparrows have taken over my bluebird box again. Perfect. I know the value of 2 sparrows, and in 2 weeks I will have 5. My Toro's broke. Perfect. Now I can take the time I'm saving by not mowing and volunteer my time at that nonprofit down the street. Oh, the first day of my new part-time job. I'll have to call AAA, but at least I'll have 2 more subscribers.